Heyo! And welcome to Craftworks by G, where we do everything and anything and hope to inspire. Today, we will be making a picnic basket table. And this was all possible thanks to a special friend who you'll see later on in the video. So stick around and see how it goes. So let's stop talking. Let's go! Let's go! Alright, before we dive in too deep, if you like what you're watching, please like, subscribe, comment, and share the inspiration. That would be amazing. Right here, we are just breaking down the pallet wood and measuring it for the build. This is going to be a pretty long video, so timestamps will be available. Alright, so all the major circular saw cutting is complete, and now I'm just measuring up for the finer cuts for the boards. And don't worry, there will be a cut list and material list later on. So now it is time to hand saw. I use a Japanese pull saw, and this is how I saw. My sawing technique is not very good, so I kind of cheat by doing this. So what I do is I scratch a groove on the line mark that you make, and once that groove is deep enough, you can just go to town. Like what you're seeing right here, I'm scratching the wood, trying to make that groove, and once that groove is established, just saw. Once done with the cutting, just sand to 60 grit and 120 grit. Here is all the cut list and materials you need. The pallet wood was free because it was given to by a friend, and everything else can be bought from Lowe's or Home Depot or any hardware store. You shouldn't need to spend more than $20 or $30 to make this build. Right here, we are just trying to find out where everything should go. And once you've established where you want your hinges to be, just mark the holes to drill and screw. Right here, I'm just eyeballing where I want the screws to be. As you can see here, the screw tips are protruding, and that allows me to make indents on the wood for perfect alignment. Now we just screw this in and you repeat for all the remaining sides. Right here we are doing latch placement. So I actually clamped up the two halves so that it wouldn't move. Once you're done screwing in the latches for one side, just repeat on the other side. Now we're just measuring up the braces. No need to be super precise here. I'm just eyeballing things here. Just drill the holes and repeat on the other side of the braces. And here again you see that the screw tips are protruding because we're going to do the same thing to make the indents. Right here applying the wood glue because I wanted to use wood glue. If you don't want to, I don't think it's necessary, but I wanted to. Once that's all screwed in, just repeat on the other two. And here we see the first glimpses of the final product. So just going to get some other 2x4 and we're going to be clamping up the wood glue. You can never have too many clamps when woodworking. Alright, so let's unclamp these bad boys and we'll see how it turns out. Yeah, pretty awesome right there. We are going to be taking the handles and drilling a hole so we can fit the rope through it. Make sure to sand that hole so nobody gets splinters, and if you want a fun way to do it, just whee! Just lining up the handles. What you see me doing here is marking lines so that I can put the screws where they should be, within the lines. Here's a little tip to make sure you do not drill in too far. Just take some tape or whatever and mark out the desired length on your drill and then drill up to the tape, and that way you do not drill too much. Once you're done screwing this in, just repeat for the other 3 and we are almost done. It's getting there, it's getting there. We're gonna do a final sand of 220 grit to get rid of the pencil marks we made.
Alright, so we are almost done with this build. I can't wait, but you know what time it is right now. Ban! Let's go!
I love the way Shosogiban makes the wood look. It's so nice. You obviously do not need to do this. You could stain this if you wanted to. Remember, it is your project. You have the creative freedom to do whatever you want with it. Putting the rope to the holes and tying a simple knot on each end and making sure that it's secure. Just finishing it up with some Danish oil.
Alright, that's it guys. We are done. Or are we? Alright, so you've made it this far. Thank you for watching to this far. And now it's the test portion. So I've got here with me a special friend who made this all possible by giving me the pallet wood to do this build. And here she is. Yeah. Go watch her YouTube channel if you want to see her do crazy stuff. So we're gonna find a spot and set up. Let's go. Woo! Something cool?
Yeah, I can see it already.
Yeah? She doesn't know. Oh, whoa!
Oh, that is so cute.
There we go.
I like it.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
fancy. I'm admiring.
Yeah.
I'll probably like finish out these grapes.
Okay. Go ahead. There's more if you want. Save them for later. Triple? I gotta do it two hands. Yeah.
Sorry. So I had my hand up in the corner of my peripherals. I saw that, so I thought that was on my hand for some reason. I just saw some white thing because my hand was white, so I was like,
Yeah.
oh, I see something.
Sorry. I was like, what did you put on me?
I don't know.
What is this? What is this?
Excuse me. I try to hide it.
You don't need to. You don't need to. Ah, yeah! Any more in there? Any more in there?
Ooh, let's have some more of this.
Ooh, yeah! Oh man, you drank without me? Alright, we gotta do it again. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, we did our little picnic and
It was lovely.
oh yeah, see that? So what do you think of the table?
Table is great. It's beautiful and well made.
Alright, see that? And here's a little surprise. As a special thank you, this is yours.
What?
This is yours.
Oh, awesome!
Yep, it's
Thank
yours.
you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
Definitely gonna be put to good use.
Yeah, see that? Alright. So make this picnic table. Find that special person. Go on a picnic. You know. Thank you for watching. And remember, it's never too late to learn and create. Peace!
Bye bye.